Welcome back, YouTube. Trailer Scrap here on microwave scrapping part 2. I called something the wrong name before, so I'm going to correct that now. But these are all the components that came out of the microwave. This is a high voltage transformer. This little fan motor that does exhaust when you run the microwave. That's a little small transformer off of the circuit board. You see the circuit board on the back of that, still left. And earlier I called this a capacitor, but it is not a capacitor. So I can't remember the name right now, but it is not a capacitor. This microwave for some reason didn't have a capacitor on it, so we won't worry about that much. Okay. How do you take these things apart? The best thing I can suggest to you on this high voltage capacitor is to just take a hatchet, put it right on that weld, and then open it up with a hammer. May take you 3 whacks, may take you 5, may take you 20. There we are, open. That part is basically just steel, so we'll put that in the steel bin. And to get these off, basically just knock them off with a hammer. There we have it, number 2 copper. So there we go with all the copper and the steel. This little fan motor, pretty much treated the same way. I don't know if you can see this, but it has a little, if you can see that little line right there on the edge, that's where you need to hit it. Done. Copper. Once you get the end off of that, basically you can just pull copper right off the spool there. Takes a while sometimes. And there you go. Ball it up. Nice ball of number 2 copper. Now for the magnetron. That's what this is called, the magnetron. This top part just pry it off a little bit and then it just pulls right off. That's usually steel. As you can see, it sticks to that magnet that's inside the microwave. Get the fabulous some free magnets in the microwave. There's one magnet, so you just keep those around in case you want to test things or put all the magnets together and scrap them. I choose to keep mine. Basically just pulls apart, a little bit of copper inside it. snip those. This all here is basically aluminum. Then you got the copper wire that's inside it. This little thing right here, this little pink thing, is made out of a material called beryllium. That material is a carcinogen and will cause cancer. So don't touch it. Don't break it into powder and breathe it. Find some way to get rid of it environmentally safely. Keep the copper. It's number 2 copper. The rest of that is aluminum and whatever this beryllium stuff is. This part is all steel. There's a little bit of copper left in there. I mean, you could probably get that out, but I choose not to. That's just basically steel. That little bit of copper left in it. If I can get the camera. There we go. A little bit of copper left in it. I usually just treat this as steel. Then there's another magnet. The only thing left to take apart is this little transformer. Has a plastic coating on the outside of it. I probably wouldn't even worry about taking that off. Basically, you treat the little ones just like the big ones. Just take a hammer and a chisel and basically just put it on the weld and break it apart. There you have it. Just pry that out of there in that direction and then you're done. Alright guys, thanks. Hopefully this microwave video has helped some of you make some money, add to whatever you already make. Have a good blessed day. See you all on the next video. Alright, Trailer Scrap out.